One of the nice things and one of the nice features about the Autodesk Inventor program is having the ability to make a copy or pattern, an object or objects, to save you a countless amount of time when it comes time to put together projects. What I'm going to do today is demonstrate how to actually pattern an object in an assembly to help you save such time. First thing I want to do is open up a new standard IAM, which stands for Standard Inventor Assembly. So I'll go ahead and double click on that. Following this, I'm going to place the object in my visual here so that I can see what I can work with. For this particular example, I'm going to be making a pattern of a finished rectangular table that I made earlier in class. As you can see, you can place as many of these pieces on as you want, but what I'm interested in doing is having a pattern so I don't have to sit there and do multiple constraints like mates and flushes. So I'm just going to start with one object. Following this, I'm going to go ahead and position it in a way that it's easier to work with to make the pattern happen. Alright, this is the way in which I would like my object to look prior to patterning it. The patterning tool itself can be found in the toolbar up here towards the upper left corner of the program. It's called Pattern, so I'll go ahead and click on that. The next thing it's going to ask me when it prompts the special box here is, what component do I want to pattern? So I'll click on the arrow for component, and then I'm going to select the actual component that I would like to have copied or patterned. In this case, it's the table. After this, I am going to select the rectangular patterning tool, which is the second or middle function icon in the middle. So now the next step is, what is it, like what direction do I want my pattern to flow? So I'm going to click on this directional icon and then simply click on the direction in which I want this to go. Let's have it go down. Okay, two more things I got to consider. Number one, what's the space that I want in between my objects? In this case, I think that the table is about 48 inches wide, or 4 feet. So I know that, and let's say I want 4 consecutive tables in a row. So we know they're 48 inches apart because that's the actual width of the table. The next thing is, how many copies do I want? Well, if I want 4, I just have to hit the number 4. And as you can see, it promptly puts up the 4 pieces that I need. After this, I simply hit OK, and I have recreated my one table 4 consecutive times just simply by clicking a few buttons. I think that this is a good tool to use when you have multiple things to put on, like chairs or rivets or any type of object that's going to be time-consuming when it comes to putting stuff together. I highly encourage you to use this tool. It has saved me countless amount of time. Thank you.